lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and welcome to another Amazon haul video. In this haul, you're gonna see some amazing cute Genji collection which are all under 500 rupees. So yes guys, I'm talking about summer dresses. Yes guys, I have some amazing collection. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. But yes guys, before we move forward, I just want to inform you guys that the Amazon Genji sale is live from 18th till 23rd of April. Snag 50 to 80% off on the hottest fashion and beauty finds, trend talk deals, surf steals, hidden gems and more. So guys, don't sleep on it, make sure to check it out, okay? But before that, watch this video till then. So now let's start with our first item. Okay, so first item that we have here with us is this knee length dress right here guys. It looks so cute, right? It is, just look at it, it's so cute, just like Genji people, and I just absolutely love the design. This is something which I don't have in my collection, like something which is like, you know, pura khula khula wala. I don't have such items in my wardrobe, so I decided to go with this one. It is a strappy dress and it doesn't have sleeves, you can see that, and it is a georgette material. You can see the layering right here guys. ये एकदम ही see through नहीं है, and this is also available in pink and green color. You can go for it, but मुझे थोड़ा सा dark color में ही पसंद आया, तो I went for this one. And you can see the pattern, floral pattern going on. I just absolutely love it guys. You can see that it is available in other sizes as well, but I'm in size small and it fits me so well. It feels so summery, perfect for summer guys, trust me. And इतना लंबा भी नहीं है. This is a knee length dress and my height is 5'3", so मुझे भी ये knee तक ही आता है, नीचे थोड़ा सा नीचे भी जाता है. So yes guys, this is the first item and you won't believe me, its original price is like 2299, and can you believe me, it just cost me 299. Sale pay guys, sale pay. So what are you waiting for? So yes guys, this is the first item. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So the another item that I have with me is something which is super cute guys. I was not expecting it to be this cute, but the moment I received it, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. It is giving me pura Korean wala vibe, and it is obviously a Genji collection. So the item that I'm talking about is, ta-da guys, this is the cute blue dress. You can see that it has this cute sleeves going on. It is sleeveless, you can see that. Yes, सिर्फ design है. You can see that's so cute, perfect for summer because it's a cotton material, and I'm in size small again. And आपको इस side से भी ऐसा जीप भी मिल जाएगा. You can see that, right? ऐसा जीप भी मिल जाएगा. So you can see that. I don't think it is available in other colors because जब मैंने order किया था ये इतना ज़्यादा दूसरा color में available नहीं था. Okay, and it is a midi dress. आपका वो मतलब नी से थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएगा, so you don't have to worry, it's not see through. So yes guys, this is another cute item and I'm in size small. It is available in other sizes as well, and its original price is 2599 rupees. And ये dress देखने के साथ लगता भी है कि it deserves this much of amount because it is super cute, super comfortable, and material is also so good. But on sale it just cost me 399 rupees. I know guys, it's a shocking thing to know that this dress is just 399 because it is super cute, super Genji, like perfect for summer guys. So I highly recommend you guys to go for this one. Okay, so yes guys, this is the second item. Towards our another item. So अभी थोड़ा short dress से हटकर long dress पर आते हैं. Okay, so now the another dress that I have with me is a maxi dress. Obviously you can figure it out, it's like long dress. But one thing is very popular, like you know, like in this Genji collection, is that cutout dresses. Okay, so exactly I have this dress for you all. So this is the cutout dress for you guys. Ta-da guys, this is the top, like ऊपर का part देख रहे हो, पूरा normal, nothing fancy, and इसका sleeves पूरा ऐसा वाला खुला खुला sleeves है, perfect for summer. And I really love the color combination, it's so bright, so summery. And yes guys, this is the one, and इसका पूरा cut दिया हुआ है. You can see that, right? सिर्फ इसके साथ ही it is ये attached है, so ऐसा पूरा cut out निकल जाएगा, and then इसके पीछे से ऐसा elastic वाला दिया हुआ है, and it is very long in length. You can see that, right? And you don't have to worry about see through. Again इसके अंदर भी दूसरा material दिया हुआ है. It is a georgette material and it is available in different sizes as well. I'm in size small. It is so cute guys, so cute, perfect for summer. Like I absolutely love it, okay? And its original price is 1999, but on sale it just cost me 399 rupees. I know आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि how come you get in such a affordable prices, but trust me guys, मैंने उतने में ही लिया है. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me, and I just absolutely love it. Those who are into colors and into long dresses, highly recommended. Okay, so yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so now moving towards our another item. So another item that I have with me is, if you're not into cutout dress or something more colorful, so then this dress is for you guys, because I have this long maxi dress for you all, which is not that bright, but it has this summer vibe to it because it has this floral design going on. Very simple yet elegant. It is the sleeveless dress, and it has this U-shaped collar to it, and then पीछे से थोड़ा ऐसा tie करने वाला है. Nothing much, इतना ज़्यादा show नहीं करता है ये. And then you can see that इतना ज़्यादा लंबा है guys, and इसके पीछे थोड़ा cut है इसे पीछे वाला में, and also इसके side में भी ऐसा chain दिया हुआ है. Okay, so you don't have to worry, इतना ज़्यादा tight नहीं होगा ये वाला. And again, I'm in size small. Okay, very simple yet elegant. Like मुझे ना ये हील्स के साथ परफेक्ट होगा. फ्लैट्स लगाऊंगी तो थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा, बट स्टिल आई कैन मैनेज. बट इतना छोटा हील्स से ना परफेक्ट हो जाएगा. सो यस गाइस, दिस इज द वन. आई एम इन साइज स्मॉल. इट इज अ क्रेप मटेरियल and it is not available in other colors, like, but sizes are available. Okay, so this is another one that I have with me, and its original price is like 1799 rupees. Okay, but on sale it just cost me 499 rupees, and I think in 499, I recommend you guys this one because it's very simple yet elegant and beautiful. Okay, so this is another cute item that I have with me. Okay, so now moving towards our showstopper, guys. One disclaimer: it is not under 500, it is under 1000 rupees. Okay, because I loved it so much, I couldn't stop myself from buying this one. So the item that I'm talking about is this long maxi dress right here, guys. Like, look at it. It's so sexy, guys. It's so sexy. Like, I just absolutely love it. ये ड्रेस देखने के बाद ना मुझे सिर्फ बीच ही जाना पसंद है. बीच ही जाना है. बट समवन प्लीज सेंड मी टू द बीच, गाइस. ओ माय गॉड, सो गुड. दिस ड्रेस इज सो गुड. इज ब्लेंड. इट हैज दिस ब्लेंड कॉटन मटेरियल. पूरा ऐसा वाला शीर वाला डिजाइन आगे से है, एंड अंदर से आप लोगों को लिए ये कपड़ा भी दिया हुआ है. यू कैन सी दैट, राइट? सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट सी थ्रू. एंड ऐसा वाला कट भी है पीछे से. ओ माय गॉड, दिस ड्रेस हैव माय हार्ट. Like, seriously man, so pretty. Available in different sizes. Color available nahi hai, but sizes are available. Absolutely love it, guys. So this has to be my favorite from this haul, but I need to get into shape before wearing this one. थोड़ा सा मुझे tight हो रहा है guys. Small है because I have gained some weight. You can see that. So yes guys, I have to get in shape just for this dress. Trust me guys, just for this dress. Like, absolutely love it. I'm in size small. अभी fit होता है, but I'm not that comfortable to wear in this size, this one. So इसीलिए guys. So this is the another. So this is the last item, and its original price is 1399 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 999, and I think in 999 it is a steal deal, guys. So if you guys are planning a beach vacation, this is the one for you guys. Okay, so highly recommended. So yes guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.